You'll soon be able to use a sugar battery, yes, and it's French. A French startup based in Grenoble called BFC has just developed a battery that works with sugar, oxygen, and enzymes. There is no metal in this battery, no lithium, no cobalt, no lead, no manganese. This is the result of 20 years of research by the CNRS and Grenoble Alpes University. So it's a fuel cell, but it's biological. Glucose reacts with the ambient oxygen and the enzymes trigger an electrochemical reaction. The cell is printed on a sheet of paper and a carbon-based conductive ink is used, and it's very thin, 1 millimeter thick, and they're even going to go thinner. Big advantage: no leaks, no risk of explosion, and above all, it can be thrown in the regular trash. No hazardous materials, no pollution. So obviously, this isn't a battery you'll find in your smartphone or your car. For now, it's mainly made for small medical devices. Disposable items, trackers, medical devices, for example, pregnancy tests, and precisely for medical products, it's going to be really interesting to be able to use this type of battery, for example, for glucose meters and so on. We can also think about logistics, everything related to labels. We can make smart labels which will have more data than, for example, NFC, which is completely passive. Today, the startup is announcing a battery life of a month and a half, which can be more than enough for a disposable object. That's an interesting side effect. Because it doesn't use rare metals, everything can be made in France. For now, it's still a bit expensive, it's just coming out of the lab, but they're trying to get the cost down to less than €1 per battery. In short, we're this close to being able to chew on these batteries like candy.